Understanding, Be of One Mind, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, be of one mind. This phrase might sound simple, but it holds a deep meaning in communication and relationships. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means to be of one mind with someone. The phrase, be of one mind, refers to a situation where two or more people completely agree with each other or have the same opinion or thought about something. It's like saying they are thinking the same thing or have the same mindset. This phrase has its roots in Older English and has been used in various literary works to express unity in thought or purpose. To better understand how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. The committee was of one mind about the decision to postpone the event. 2. It's rare to find a couple that is always of one mind on every issue. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in both professional and personal contexts. A common mistake learners make is using this phrase to imply that people share similar personalities or interests. Remember, be of one mind specifically refers to sharing the same opinion or decision on a particular matter, not overall personality traits or interests. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings. In formal settings, it's often used to describe agreement in business or official decisions. In informal situations, it might be used among friends or family members when they agree on something like a plan or an idea. We hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of be of one mind. It's a phrase that beautifully captures the essence of agreement and unity in thought. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use this phrase in your conversations when the situation fits. Until next time, happy learning!